How to create an Outlook email account step by step. Whether you need it for personal use or for professional correspondence, an Outlook email account is a great tool to have in your digital arsenal. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. For this tutorial, I'll be using Google Chrome, but you can use any browser you like. Go to the Outlook sign up page by typing outlook.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, look for a button that says Create Free Account and click on it. You'll be directed to a new page where you can choose your new email address. Type in your desired email name in the field provided. Remember, it has to be unique, so you might have to try a few options before finding one that's available. After choosing your email address, click Next. Now it's time to create a password. Make sure to choose a strong password to keep it secure. It should include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. The next step is to fill in your personal information starting with your first and last name. And after entering your name, click Next. Now you'll need to select your country, region, and enter your birth date. Once you've done that, click Next again. Outlook might ask you to solve a puzzle or CAPTCHA to prove you're not a robot. Follow the instructions on the screen to complete this step. After successfully completing the CAPTCHA, you'll be taken to your new Outlook inbox. Congratulations, you've just created your new Outlook email account. And there you have it, a new Outlook email account ready to use. Remember, you can customize your account settings and preferences by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right corner of your inbox.